Okay, we're about to send out a liquid Fert system. This one will go to the North Island, New Zealand. So here we've got the pump box, and I've got a calibration switch on the front here. I've got a pressure sensor. The loom just comes in through here. We've got a pump, pressure converter that goes back up to the main screen, and then there's a wiring loom here. I'm going to ship 2 manifolds with this one, and this is a 10 mesh filter that'll just come straight out of whatever's in the tank. This one's going to have a in-hold hold switch in the cab, manual computer link cable to the power unit. There's a 8 to 4mm pipe reducers, speed signal, and these are the line limiters. These are 1mm ones, so that's what we're going to ship up. So 19 of those, and this is the power unit. So that's how it all looks. So yeah, it's going to be heading off today.